So each year the machines will give you a notification reminding you to replace the PLC and the HMI battery. You want to replace those at least once every year to avoid them running out on you. And I'm going to be replacing the HMI battery, which is the screen right here, and the PLC battery. I'll start by taking this cover off for the screen. After we take out these 4 Phillips screws, we'll remove the screen cover from the mount and set it on the table face down. And then you're going to want to remove this plug right here by unscrewing these bolts. Once the bolts are loose, you can unplug it. And then you want to remove the 4 screws that are holding the back plate on in these 4 spots. So then unplug this plug right here and get that out of the way. And then the final plug to remove is just with these flathead bolts. Unscrew this plug, remove that. Now your back cover can pop off and your battery is located right there. And there's a prong right here. You just have to pull back on and your battery will pop out. See what type of battery it is? CR2032. Then pop your new battery back in. It's important to make sure the machine is turned on during this whole process, because if you do not leave the machine on, it'll wipe your program and you'll have to get a new program reinstalled on the machine. Now onto the PLC battery. It'll be located in your electrical cabinet of your machine. It'll be labeled PLC, and you can find the battery right behind this tab. There's one more tab right here, and then your battery is right here to your PLC. Once you remove the battery outside of the PLC cabinet, you can see the tails to the plug right here. Remove the battery while the machine is still on, and then with your new battery, plug it back in the exact same way. So just make sure that the message goes away, and that means that you're okay to run the machine and turn the machine off whenever you're done. If issues are still occurring, please visit our website at www.weldmaster.com or call into the office at 330-833-6739 for additional support. You can also schedule a service visit with one of our high qualified service technicians. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for choosing Miller Weldmaster for all your welding needs.